Are you suffering from pain, discomfort, or other health-related issues? Are you just not feeling good? Do you hurt when you exercise? Is your energy drained? Chiropractic care works gently and naturally to restore the body to its optimal state of health. Our chiropractic team will help your body heal and get you on the path towards a healthy lifestyle again. Our methods can relieve pain and help maintain good health of the nervous system, muscles and posture, joints of the spine, discs and cartilage, joints of the arms and legs, and much more. And it's done naturally, without drugs or surgery. Spinal nerve stress is greatly reduced through chiropractic care, which can help promote health throughout the body. Chiropractic care is normally safer than other treatments because patients do not have to be placed in a sedated state and undergo surgery to get results. Nor does chiropractic involve the use of harmful medications and their toxic side effects. Contact us today to get relief from your stress, strain, and pain, and remember what it feels like to feel good again.
¿Cómo está?
Bien, gracias. Hoy es mi tercera sesión con el quiropráctico y pues la verdad me siento muy bien, mi cadera está muy bien. Yo venía, no podía caminar y ya ya me siento muy bien. Muchas gracias.
Está bien. So, how many sessions did you have? This is your number 3, right?
Tres sesiones.
¿Cómo te sientes hoy?
Muy bien.
Bien?
Sí, muy bien.
Okay. All right, so let's do the ajuste vertebrales, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Lean back, por favor. Okay. Boca abajo, por favor. Aquí. Right in. Up. Right in. Okay. Up. Okay. Do lado esquerdo, por favor. Mira ahí. Okay. Ajuste de cintura. Okay. Está bien. Okay. All right. Próxima parada, massagem, ok?
Sí.